Ni hao, good evening everyone. Distinguished guests, fellow Rotarians and friends, it is truly an honor to stand before you today. I am Anthony John Monquillo, the 32nd President of the Rotary Club of Downtown Davao, the second Promise Club of Zone 10A. On behalf of our club, I extend my warmest greetings and heartfelt appreciation for your hospitality and warm welcome here in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. I would like to start my speech by sharing you a brief background of our club, the Rotary Club of Downtown Davao. RCDD embodies the Rotary motto, service above self, dedicating 32 years to humanitarian service across Rotary's 7 areas of focus. Since our charter on February 23, 1993, that's tomorrow, by the way, as an all-women club, RCDD has evolved into a multi-awarded and top contributing club in District 3860. A milestone in our journey came in Rotary year 2018-2019, when we transitioned into a mixed club, reinforcing Rotary's commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusiveness. This significant change welcomed our first male members, including the 23rd Philippine National Police Chief, Archie Francisco F. Gamboa, who later served as club president in Rotary year 2022-2023. Past President Archie is an AKS Charter Circle member. Our commitment to service is unwavering, with our Center for Hope standing as a testament to this dedication. Located in Davao City, it continues to serve marginalized communities through education, healthcare, and livelihood programs. Our club also takes immense pride in our leadership. Past President Rosan Twinkle C. Gamboa, AKS, Charter Circle, made history as District Governor in Rotary year 2023-2024. IPDG is here with us here today. Today, with 47 dedicated members and 8 satellite club members under my leadership, RCDD continues to make a meaningful impact, spreading the magic of Rotary with passion and purpose. Throughout the years, we have overcome challenges, proving our resilience and commitment to service. Beyond accolades, our success is truly measured by the lives we touch, the smiles of children, the empowerment of families, and the strengthened communities we uplift. With unwavering dedication, we forge ahead, embracing new opportunities to serve and inspire. Today, we celebrate the strong bond of friendship and service between Rotary Club of Downtown Davao and the esteemed Rotary Club of Kaohsiung Metropolitan. Our partnership is a testament to the shared values and commitment that unite Rotarians worldwide. Through collaboration, we strengthen not just our organization, but also the communities we serve. Reflecting on our shared experiences, I am reminded of the memorable visit we hosted for esteemed guests on August 22, 2024. We toured them around Magsaysay Park in Davao, followed by a delightful lunch at Malagos Garden Resort, an immersive tour of the Malagos Chocolate Museum. Our journey continued with travel to Lorega, Bukidnon, where we bonded over a heartfelt fellowship dinner, further strengthening the ties between our clubs. This visit allowed them to experience our rich cultural heritage and breathtaking natural beauty, fostering a deeper appreciation of our region, solidifying our friendship. On August 23, we organized a heartwarming outreach event at our beloved Center for Hope in Davao. through the generous support of the Rotary Clubs of Kaohsiung Metropolitan and Taichung Marathon. We distributed Magic of Rotary bags, school supplies, food packs to 64 pre-kindergarten children. The children, filled with excitement, showcased their talents with delightful performances, bringing joy and gratitude to everyone present. I took this opportunity to express my deepest appreciation to AG Steve, President YG, Secretary Gift, and the entire Taiwanese team for their generosity and unwavering support to the children of Center for Hope. Following this meaningful initiative, we had the privilege of holding our second regular meeting, coinciding with a vibrant Kadayawan Festival. This gathering was made even more special with the presence of our distinguished guests from RC Kaohsiung Metropolitan and Taichung Marathon. The event was filled with cultural dance performances, and our members proudly embraced Kadayawan-inspired costume, reflecting the 11 linguistic tribes of Davao. A defining moment of the evening was the signing of the Sisterhood Agreement between the Rotary Club of Downtown Davao and the Rotary Club of Kaohsiung Metropolitan, symbolizing a deep commitment to unity and celebration. As I stand before you today, I am deeply grateful for the warm reception and generosity extended to us by the members of the Rotary Club of Kaohsiung Metropolitan. Our visit to Taiwan marks a significant milestone in our ongoing partnership, fostering deeper connections and opportunities for future collaboration. We have truly enjoyed experiencing the rich cultural hospitality and dedication of Rotarians here in Kaohsiung, and we eagerly look forward to working together on meaningful projects that will create lasting change. On behalf of the Rotary Club of Downtown Davao, we would like to congratulate you, the Rotary Club of Kaohsiung Metropolitan, on your 10th charter anniversary. We thank you for your kindness, your unwavering commitment to service, and your inspiration to us all. You remind us of the power of Rotary to unite people from different parts of the world to make a positive impact. As we move forward, let us remain steadfast in our commitment to service, friendship, and cooperation. May this visit mark the beginning of even greater initiatives that will benefit both our clubs and the communities we serve. Once again, thank you, and may our partnership continue to thrive in the spirit of Rotary. Mabuhay and Sheshe Kaohsiung.